Welcome to this video. In this video, I want to look at the anatomy of the galvanic cell. Before we can even look at this anatomy of galvanic cell, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Zuluwa Consultants, and the Facebook page for this and more videos. So, what do we need to know about the anatomy of the galvanic cell? The main features of the galvanic cell is the galvanic cell is separated by the anode, the salt bridge, and the cathode. Now, when you look at the anode, the salt bridge, and the cathode, we want to know what characterizes the anode, what characterizes the cathode. The anode, that is where we find oxidation taking place. So oxidation takes place on the anode of the galvanic cell, while on the cathode of the galvanic cell, that's where you find reduction. What else do we need to know about the anatomy of the galvanic cell? When this cell, or when the reactions are taking place in this galvanic cell, you will notice that the anode becomes smaller while the cathode becomes larger in size. So the galvanic cell, the anode is smaller as the reaction is proceeding, while the cathode becomes larger. What else is needed to know? In the galvanic cell, the electrons move from the anode to the cathode. And the anode is negatively charged in the galvanic cell. The cathode is positively charged in the galvanic cell. And this is the major difference between a galvanic cell and an electrolysis cell. The difference is, in the electrolysis cell, the cathode is the one that is negatively charged, the anode is positively charged. But we can see in this galvanic cell, the anode is the one that is negative, the cathode is positive. The galvanic cell is separated by a neutral salt bridge. This bridge simply facilitates the connection and the transfer of electrons so that a complete circuit can be made. So again, the salt bridge should have a neutral salt. The galvanic cell is used to measure the volt that is being generated by the cell as the reactions are proceeding. And this volt is measured or recorded as we take the measurement from the voltmeter. So the voltmeter helps to measure the potential of the cell that has been generated. So these are some of the major parts of the galvanic cell. Look forward to another video that will be produced where we will be looking at the reactions that take place on the anode and the reaction that takes place on the cathode, as well as the overall reaction. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and the Facebook page if you have found this video beneficial.